Hi, Alan.
Hi. Regarding the 11 labs, just a second. I wanna just a second, please. I want to ask a question. If well, in the Met Parse course, they say that you have to have the audio file on a .wav, not MP3, and the just a second. Let me see if I can find this.
So you can save your audio files as WAV or MP4 or MP3 files. Is that your question? And if it matters?
For 11 labs, did you say that you were using 11 labs or well said labs?
11 labs is, but well said labs is also very good. So
yeah, because the well said labs, the basic just a second, let me find this. So the maker on the well said labs, the maker which is $50 per month, you can only download MP3 files, and the creative is $100 per month, and you can download WAV files. But in MedParse course, they say that you should have the voice on a WAV file. So I was thinking about three programs for voiceover: Murph, Wellsaid Labs, or 11 Labs, and I'm not sure which one to choose.
Yeah, in terms of how you save the file, I wouldn't overthink it. I've been using 11 Labs, and a lot of people I know are using 11 Labs, but Wellsaid Labs works fine too. I think that the difference between the MP3 and the WAV files is if you edit, like have an editor or a voice designer, like an audio engineer, if they want to edit the sound or like the voiceover quality, then they need a specific file. I'm not sure which one it is or how it works, but in terms of editing your video, you can just add both files to your timeline and edit the video however you want. So that works fine. But if you get like an audio engineer really playing around with your voiceover to make it like more deeper or more crisp or whatever, then you want a specific file. But I wouldn't worry too much about which one you download from one of these platforms, honestly, because that's not like a world of difference. All right.
Okay, thank you.
And in terms of like, I think the pricing and the voices you get from something like Wellsaid Labs and 11 Labs, it's almost all the same packages, maybe a little more, a little less. It's just what you like working with. And yeah, I've been working with 11 Labs, so that's...
How about Murph AI? You suggested Murph AI in one of your posts.
Yeah, I also used Murph AI for a while, yes. I tested Murph, I tested 11 Labs, but I just sticked with 11 Labs. No particular reason, if I can remember correct. I just liked 11 Labs a little bit better. Like the way it worked, like the way it translated, and how everything worked there. So that's the reason I chose that one. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. Aiden, welcome, brother. I thought you were not going to show up today. I was worried about you. All right, guys, I'm going to share my screen again.